71వ జాతీయ చలనచిత్ర అవార్డులను ప్రకటిస్తున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Integrating miniature models and real water to authentically recreate the disaster's devastation. Costume and civilian attire along with the military and rescue uniforms were crafted with period of precision to anchor the film in its visual authenticity and cultural integrity. Production designer, Mohan Das. The best editing goes to Pukalam, which means the flower season. Malayalam, for its clean transitions and measured pacing, from light-hearted comedy to poignant emotional arcs, and ensuring that each scene resonates with its sincerity. The editor, Midun Murli. Best sound design goes to the Hindi film Animal, for its various impacts from every scene, tension-rich ambient textures, bone-crunching combat effects, and audio transitions that mirror the character's psychological descent, elevating narrative intensity. The sound designer, Sachin Sudhakaran and Hariharan Mullidharan. The best screenplay is a shared award. First one, the Telugu film Baby. The film sensitively portrays a love triangle where a young woman's aspirations and personal growth lead her into emotional crossroads, balancing loyalty, desire, and moral ambiguity with nuance and empathy. It goes to Sai Rajesh Neelam. The shared second screenplay writer original goes to the Tamil film Parking for crafting a taut, layered screenplay that escalates a trivial domestic issue into a tense psychological drama, exposing the fragility of urban civility. It goes to Ram Kumar Balakrishnan. The best dialogue writer goes to the Hindi film Sirf Ek Banda Kafi Hai, for its searing courtroom monologues and emotionally charged exchanges that sharpen the film's moral urgency and religious catharsis. It goes to Deepak Kingrani. The best cinematography goes to the Hindi film The Kerala Story, for masterfully capturing each frame to enhance the emotional gravity and realism of the narrative. The cinematographer is Prasantanu Mohapatra. The best female playback singer goes to the Hindi song Chaliya, which is from the film Jawan, for the singer's excellence in capturing romantic elegance and soulful depth, which enhances the character's narrative arc. The singer, Shilpa Rao. The best male playback singer goes to the Telugu song Premisthuna from the film Baby, to the singer for his heart-wrenching rendition of Premisthuna with emotional depth, classical finesse, and melodic intensity. The singer is PVNS Rohit. Now comes the most difficult award that we were really torn and we had to share it into three. Is the best child artist. You'll be amazed at the kind of children's films that we got and the kind of children were performing in the films this year. There were several. So the best child artist, the first one, the girl from the film Gandhi Tatha Chetu, Telugu, for the commitment of the little actress towards delivering an emotionally mature and authentic performance with empathy